Good morning, students. What did we learn in the previous class? We learned what is the smallest number multiplied with the given number, we will get a perfect square number. Here, question is, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. Also, find the square root of the square number so obtained. In this question, if we divide a given number by the smallest whole number, we will get a perfect square number. After that, we have to find out the square root of that perfect square number. Here question is 252. First, we have to find out the prime factors of this given number. Factor is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2 2s are 4, then left 1, 12, 6 2s are 12. Then go through 2. 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6. Then fact is 3. 2 3s are 6, 1 3, 3. Then again fact is 3. 7 3s are 21. Then 7 factor, then 1. Then write the prime factors of 252. Prime factors of 252 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Then make the pair 2 2 number 1 pair, then 3 3 1 pair. Then here you can see 7 is without pair. Then what is the least number? Here, which number is without pair? That is the least number. The least number is equals 7. According to question, we have to divide the given number by the least number. That is, then we will get the new square number. So, the new square number equals, what we have to do? We have to divide the given number. Given number is 252 divided by the least number. That is equal to, divide here 252 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 4 left, then 2, take down. 7 6 are 42. Then the new number equals which one? 36. After that, we have to find out the square root of this new square number. Copy it. Next, we have to find out the square root of 36. Fact is 2, 1 2 2, number will become 16, 8 2s are 16, fact is 2, 9 2s are 18, 3 3s are 9, fact is 3, 1. Then prime factors of 36 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here, square root of 36 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. From this, we have to take 1 2. From this also, we have to take 1 3. Then square root of 36 equals 2 3s are 6. Then the least number equals 7, and square root of new square number equals 6. Copy down this. number is 2925. How you will solve this question? First, we have to take the prime factors of the given number. Then we have to find out the least number. How you will understand the least number? After taking the prime factor, which number is without pair, that is the least number. After that, we have to divide this given number by least number. We will get the perfect square. Then we have to find out the perfect square root. Take the factors of this number. Then fact is 3. 9 3s are 27. 2 left, number will become 22. 7 3s are 21. Number 1 left, 15. 5 3s are 15. Then take the factor 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 1 left, number will become 15. 5 3s are 15. Then take the factor 5. Then 6 5s are 30. Number left 2, 25. 5 5s are 25. Then fact is 5. 1 into 5, 5. 1 left, 15. 33 5s are 15. Then take the factor 13. 1 into 13, 13. Then prime factors of 2925 equals 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 13. Make this pairs. One number is left without pair, that is 13. So, what is the least number? Here least number is 13. Least number equals 13. Next we have to find out the perfect square number. The new square number equals the new square number equals given number. Given number is 2925 by the least number or smallest number. That is 2925 by 13. 2925 by 13. 13 2s are 26. Then 3 left, 2. Then 13 2s are 26. Then 6 left. Then take down 5 here, 65. 13 5s are 65. Then the new square number, which one? 225. After that, we have to find out the square root of this number. Copy down this much. Then finding the square root of 225. Factor 3. 7 3s are 21. Then number will become 15. 5 3s are 15. Factor is 3. 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15. Factor is 5. 5 5s are 25. Again factor is 5. 1 into 5, 5. Prime factors of 225. What is the prime factors? Here 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Then square root of 225 equals 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. That is equals 3 into 5. Square root of 225 equals 3 5s are 15. Then square root of 225 equals 15. Least number or smallest number. Number equals 13. Then new numbers square root is 50. We got here least number or smallest number is 13. New number square root is 15. New number means here 225. Square root of 225 is 15. Copy down this. Next number is 396. Take the prime factors of this number. Factors 2. 1 into 2, 2. 9 2s are 18. 8 2s are 16. Then factors 2. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Then next factor is 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Again factor is 3. 1 3 3. 1 3 3. Next factor is 11. 1 into 11, 11. Prime factors of 396 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. After that make it pair. Then what is the least number? Here least number is 11. Why 11 is the least number? Because 11 without pair is there. So 11 is the least number. Here the smallest number is equals 11. Then divide 396 by 11. The new square number equals 396 divided by 11. Then divide 396 by 11. 11 3s are 33. Then 6 left. 6 take down. 11 6 are 66. Here answer, the new square number is 36. After that we have to find out the square root of 36. Copy down this. Then taking out the prime factors of 36. Here factors 2, 1, 18 2s are 36. Factors 2, 9 2s are 18. Taking 3 as factor, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 is factor, 1 3 3. Prime factors of 36 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then square root of 36 equals square root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then square root of 36 equals, take on 2 and from 2 3's take on 3. Then root of 36 equals 6. Then the smallest number equals 11. The new square root is 6. Here the smallest number equals 11. The new square root is 6. Copy down. Children, take the remaining questions as homework. 7th question is, the student of a class 8th of a school donated rupees 2,401 in all for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students in the class. Here we have to find out the number of students in the class. They have given some money means here rupees 2401 given for Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Then we have to find out how many students in the class. From that class, every student given the money for Prime Minister's Relief Fund. We have to find out how many students in that class. In this type of question, we have to find out the square root of given number. Here, total money donated equals rupees 2401. Then total number of students. Total number of students in the class. Class equals square root of this number. That is square root of 2401. Then find out the square root of this number 2401. Take the factor 7. 7 3s are 21. 2 left. 7 4s are 28. 2 left. Number will become 21. 7 3s are 21. Then take the factor 7. 7 4s are 28. Then 6 left. 6 3 63. 7 9s are 63. Factor is 7. 7 7s are 49. Again factor is 7. 7 1 is 7. Then here square root of 2401 is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Then from these two we can take 1 7. From these twos we can take 1 7. That is equal to 7 7s are 49. Then square root of 2401 equals 49. Here we have to find out what we have to find out. We have to find out the total number of students in the class. The total number of students in the class is 49. Students, I hope you have followed what I have explained today. Any doubt is there, you can message me.